Hi, hello students. Welcome to another session from Chemsmart. I am Prasanna and today I have come with few more questions from CBSE board paper 2023. So let's see what these questions are. Question number 1 is a numerical for 3 marks and it is from osmotic pressure, colligative property, osmotic pressure. Let's see what this question is. If benzoic acid, molar mass 122 grams per mole, is associated into a dimer when dissolved in benzene and the osmotic pressure of a solution of 6.1 gram of benzoic acid in 100 ml benzene is 6.5 atm at 27 degrees centigrade, what is the percentage association of benzoic acid? You are given the value of R. So let's see how to deal with this question. It is clear that benzoic acid is dissolved in benzene. That means benzoic acid is the solute and benzene is the solvent. And 6.1 gram is the mass of solute benzoic acid. Osmotic pressure is 6.5 atm. Temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. We are going to use this data. Now, let us take the data. Mass of solute, that is mass of benzoic acid, W2, that is 6.1 gram. Then molar mass of the solute, that is MM2, that is 122 grams per mole. It is associated into a dimer, so 2 become 1. So we know N will be 2 when we need it. Then 100 ml benzene. So the solution's volume is 100 ml. Net result volume is 100 ml. Temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. That means you have to add 273.15 to it. So you will be getting 300.15 Kelvin. It should be converted to Kelvin because the R value is with respect to Kelvin unit. Okay, then you are asked to calculate the percentage association. That means you have to calculate alpha. Once you get alpha, multiply by 100, you will get alpha is the degree of association. Multiply it by 100, you will get percentage association. So let us put these details into the formula. What is the formula for osmotic pressure? Pi is equal to I into CRT. I is the Van Hoff factor. So I into C is the molarity, which is mass of the solute by molar mass of the solute into 1 by volume of the solution in liter into RT. Substitute. Pi is 6.5 is equal to I into W2 is 6.1 by 122 into 1 by volume of the solution is 0.1 liter. 100 ml means 0.1 liter into 0.0821 into 300.15. Okay, so when you calculate I, you will be getting 0.5275. You can check the calculation. You'll be getting it as 0.5275. Once you got I, what you can do, put it into association formula between alpha and I. So now let us take, for association, alpha is equal to 1 minus I by 1 minus 1 by N. That means 1 minus 0.5275 by 1 minus 1 by N is 2. It is dimerization. So you are getting 1 minus 0.5275. So it will be 1 minus 0.5275 will be 0.4725 divided by 1 minus half, that is 0.5. So 0.4725 by 0.5, you will be getting 0.945. So this is the alpha value. This is the degree of association. Now, how will you convert it into percentage association? Alpha into 100. So the answer will be 94.5%. This will be the percentage association in this question. Hope it is clear, right? Just practice. These questions might get repeated. Clear? Okay. Now coming to the next question. It is also based on Van Hoff factor. A compound calcium chloride 6 water undergoes, that is calcium chloride hexahydrate, undergoes complete dissociation in water. Van Hoff factor I is. You know, calcium chloride is an electrolyte. It will dissociate when dissolved in water. So, how will you apply? Calcium chloride will dissociate to form Ca2 plus and 2Cl minus. That means one CaCl2 unit will, it is a formula unit, it will dissociate to form one calcium ion and 2 chloride ions. So, totally there are 3 particles after dissociation. 1 calcium ion and 2 chloride ion. So, number of particles after dissociation is 3. So, for complete dissociation, if the dissociation is complete, for complete dissociation, I will be equal to N. That means I will be equal to 3 here because N is 3. Therefore, the answer will be 3. Clear? Very simple one. Now, let's go to the next question. It is a give reason question for 2 marks. There are 2 parts, 1 mark for each. So, let's see what those questions are. First one, aquatic animals are more comfortable in cold water in comparison to warm water. You know, aquatic animals, they depend on oxygen dissolved in water for breathing. The more the amount of oxygen in water, they will feel more comfortable breathing, right? And you have also studied in class 11 equilibrium that exothermic reactions are favored by low temperature. They are not favored by high temperature. So when you come to dissolution of a gas in liquid, it is an exothermic process. So it will not be favored by high temperature. It is favored by low temperature. What does it mean further? The amount of oxygen dissolved in water will be more in cold water than in warm water. Or the solubility of oxygen in water increases with decrease in temperature. Let me repeat. Solubility of oxygen in water increases with decrease in temperature. The result is the amount of dissolved oxygen per unit volume of cold water will be more than that in warm water or hot water. That's why they feel more comfortable in cold water, more dissolved oxygen in cold water. Clear? Great. Now, second one, sprinkling of salt helps in clearing the snow-covered roads in hilly areas. You know, salt is a non-volatile substance. So, it can act as a non-volatile solute. And you know, presence of a non-volatile solute will cause depression in freezing point. So when you sprinkle salt on snow, what will happen? That sprinkled salt will help in melting the snow away because of depression in freezing point of water. When you sprinkle salt on snow, snow is frozen water. So when you sprinkle salt on snow, there will be depression in freezing point of water, which will help in melting the snow away. Clear? So I hope what all questions we discussed today, you are perfect with them and you will ace these questions if these are present in your board paper. Okay? So keep on watching the videos and it will help you a lot in scoring the 90 plus, okay, in your board paper, and wait for more videos. Keep watching. Thank you.